On this episode, I travel to Nashville, Tennessee, where I hike the Big East Fork Reserve Trail at Timberland Park. I immerse myself in the fall season and find beauty around every corner. I found the Big East Fork Reserve Trail on the website suburbanturmoil.com. The website says the trail contains deer sightings, a gorgeous field, a pond, and an abandoned hunter shack, all in a park that's not crowded. Let's go check it out. Today we're at Timberland Park. Gonna go on a hike, see what the views are like here. So far so good. I probably missed the bright fall colors by about a week. They probably reached their peak about a week ago, but it's still very much a fall walk out here. A lot of leaves still in the trees, a lot of leaves on the ground. It's very nice out here. I heard about this trail online, and the person who wrote the article said that there's not a lot of people use it, or it's kind of a quiet place. Not too many people know about it. So that's the trail for me. I want that. There's a lot of people in the parking lot, a lot of people coming in here. It's kind of disappointing. A lot of kids, dogs. Like, man, it's not going to be very quiet. But the trail isn't used by a lot of people. I'm kind of out here by myself. It's very quiet, very peaceful. All you hear are like leaves falling. So far it's been a good recommendation. It's very peaceful. I don't know if you can. It's out here in the woods. It's pretty out here. Let's continue on. Alright, then out here in the middle of the trail somewhere, we got these buildings. I kind of saw them through the trees as I was approaching them, and I kind of thought I was back at the beginning of the trail, like that was the, you know, nature center or something. But nope, just some old buildings. Jump in here while I'm making a steep climb up the hill. It's been a good hike so far. A little bit longer than I anticipated. I think the website said like a 2.5 mile hike. I should know how long a 2.5 mile hike takes, but it's not like running a track or something. But it's been a good hike. It's a good trail. I would like to do it again in like a different season or something too. But the weather today's been great. The sunshine has looked really good going through the trees. So yeah, so far I'd recommend this hike. I'm going to put a link in the description for the website, so you can find out how to find this trail and hike it yourself.